there are no right answers and there are no wrong answers. There are only good communications and bad communications. When I gave my IELTS speaking exam part 2, I remember I was given a topic on museum, right? A museum you visited. And to tell you that I gave my first IELTS exam back in 2014. I had never visited a museum in my entire life till then. I hate museums. I just have no interest for these past relics. So I had no interest, but they gave me this topic. But what did I do? I also panicked. Guy, you have a 24°C room that you have to deal with over there. You just came from a 35° heat outside to a room that's 24, and you are giving perhaps the biggest English speaking exam in your life. So it feels nervy, right? After you give part 1, your nerves settle a bit, but again when you feel that you have to now talk continuously for 2 minutes, again the nerves start kicking in, right? Like in a crunch football match. So what you can do, you can easily in that 1 minute create a line, a serial, and আমি কি করছিলাম, আমি মিউজিয়ামের ব্যাপারে বলছিলাম যে what if I told you that I have no interest in museums and I never wanted to visit one. So back in the time when I was at class 6, our school took us for a museum picnic. So we were taken over there, and to tell you that I went there for the biryani. I love the biryani cooked by our school chef. So I thought if I visit the museum, I'm gonna have that biryani over there. So আমি এরকম টাইপের একটা অ্যাপ্রোচে অ্যান্সার দিয়েছিলাম, and I then told them যে maybe I did not notice much about the museum, but I really noticed that it was a huge structure. It was a huge structure, and there were a lot of historical things that somebody was explaining, and I had no attention for it. So you can be funny. I did this in my IELTS exam. So you just have to think that IELTS is not a BCS porikha, it's not a HSC porikha, it's not a university bhorti porikha. There are no right answers and there are no wrong answers. There are only good communications and bad communications. It is your choice which one you will do.